Hi there, 7th graders. Mr. Kerr here. Our very last video, very last week. We do go up through Monday the 21st if we need to, but let's really focus on getting everything done this week. So week 16, Unit 2 final activities. Now, I had all of this opened up last week, so some of you have gotten a head start on it, but if not, here is our suggested schedule. Monday, really going back over the 2 discussion boards from last week, using feedback to start working on your evidence paragraphs and get those posted, and then feedback. And then just like with Unit 1, what I really suggest for your Unit 2 final is doing a 5-paragraph essay. Your 3 pieces of evidence are going to be from those documents in the Unit 2 final assessment, text-based assessment, that you choose 3 of the 6 documents to use. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions as early as possible. Let's really shoot for getting the evidence paragraphs and the feedback done Wednesday to Thursday, so everyone has a chance of getting feedback and getting a good, strong final draft in by Friday. If you need to go past that, you can, but let's really shoot for getting everything in by Friday. And no exceptions. Everything has to be in by 3 p.m. on Monday the 21st. That's our school deadline. As I think you all know at this point is I will not be here second semester, so this is my final video with you guys. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions or anything. Let's try and get everything done. Are you missing any work? You want to get that grade up? Let's do it as early in the week as possible so that we can do that. Okay, and let me know if you have any questions at all. Great. Have a good one. Happy holidays. Bye.